for an important bulletin. A deadly high-speed pursuit between police and armed gunmen is underway traveling northbound to San Pablo Avenue.
Yeah, I've got time.
Mr. Incredible, Mr. Incredible.
What is it, ma'am?
My cat Squeak, well, come down.
Certainly, ma'am, but I suggest you stand clear. There could be trouble.
No, he's quite tight.
Let go now.
Thank you, Mr. Incredible. You've done it again.
Yeah, you're the best.
No, I'm just here to help.
Attention all units. We have a tour bus robbery in the vicinity
Tour
of
bus
North Main
robbery?
Street. Please-
I still got time. Officers, ma'am, Squeaker.
Cool, ready for takeoff.
What the? Who are you supposed to be?
Well, I'm Incrediboy.
What? No. You're the kid from the fan club. Brophy. Brody. Buddy. Buddy?
My name is Incrediboy.
Look, I've been nice. I stood for photos, signed every scrap of paper you pushed at me, but this is...
No, you don't have to worry about training me. I know all your moves, your crime-fighting style, favorite catchphrases, everything. I'm your #1 fan.